If you want your ceiling drywall to stay tight and crack-free, nailing down the right backing support is key. So, when you're dealing with ceiling drywall and there's no truss or joist right underneath the edges, you gotta add some backing support to keep things solid. Start by cutting flat 2x4s or 2x6s to fit perpendicular between the joists, making sure they line up with the trusses above. Nail those blocks securely into place so they don't wiggle around later. Check all the wall intersections too, because those corners need solid backing to avoid any flex that causes cracks. Keep the backing flush with the bottom of the joists, so your drywall sits flat and even. If your ceiling is wide, spacing these blocks every 16 inches or so helps spread out the support evenly. Also, don't forget to use galvanized nails or screws so they won't rust over time and mess up the integrity. This simple step totally prevents sagging and keeps your seams tight and looking clean for years. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ceiling drywall backing is skipping the blocking altogether, which leads to sagging and cracks over time. Fix that by always installing perpendicular blocks between joists where edges won't have direct support. Another common issue is using wood that's too thin or not nailing it down tight enough, causing movement that ruins your drywall finish. Make sure to use flat 2x4s or 2x6s and nail them securely with plenty of fasteners. Lastly, ignoring wall intersections can cause weak spots that crack easily, so double-check those corners and add backing if needed to keep everything sturdy. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to carpentry and drywall work. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for reliable pros to get their home projects done right without any headaches.